that lightly, Your Excellency. We want to thank you, and that is why we have this infrastructure before us. The amphitheater supported the museum, but also the other faith where the Catholics are and the Muslims. So I want to thank you for using the ministry to support these sites. And Your Excellency, the reason why it's important that this site is in the best shape is because beyond the Martyrs' Day, there are still so many visitors that come here, from students to people of other faiths, to learn, study about the Martyrs' story, including the cultural visitors. So I want to thank you, Your Excellency. I also want to thank Your Excellency for having signed and guided the Museums and Monuments Act of 2023 that placed this site under government to support or reimburse the church's protection of this site, that never again will there be any person tampering with the site, because the government of Uganda has gazetted and protected these sites, and a couple of them, Your Excellency. I also want to thank you. Your Excellency, on behalf of the church, there are some other challenges, and I know that the Archbishop and the leadership have a document before you that you'll go through, because the site is growing, the numbers are growing, and we thought there is some bit of infrastructure we can approve upon. And Your Excellency, I know you'll get that. But still, under the ministry and under the guidance of government, there is a concept on the development of infrastructure in Namugongo Shrine and other religious shrines, transform them into world-class faith-based tourism sites, and the designs are still ongoing. Your Excellency, we have so many people that come for the matters, and I just want to speak to the countries that come locally, but also regionally and internationally. And Your Excellency, as I conclude, we have countries like Nigeria here, countries like Rwanda, countries like Kenya, countries like South Sudan, countries like South Africa, Tanzania, Burundi, Democratic Republic of Congo, Europe, Asia, but also America. And we still believe that this potential can grow. And when these people come, Your Excellency, they spend a couple of days on average a week, and they spend money into the country. And that is why we're also developing the Martyrs Trail, so that we can prolong their stay, they can spend better, but maybe go back much more renewed, especially after the Martyrs story. With those few remarks, I want to thank you again, Your Excellency, for the support towards this event. If it weren't for you, and I think the Bishop spoke to it, we wouldn't be here. So I want to thank you for it's coming in handy at the right time. And actually, I see Honorable Batia there, that it is actually only under your directives that these things have been able to move. And I want to ask the crowd, let's clap for His Excellency. So I want to thank Your Excellency and Mama for this event, and I want to congratulate our main celebrant and the church. Thank you so much for today's Martyrs' Day. I wish now to take the opportunity to invite Your Excellency. Apologies from Honorable Butime. We divided ourselves. He's at the Catholic Shrine. So at this moment, I want to invite my senior, the Dr. Ruth Acheng, to come and make her remarks.